in this SN. This is a formula. I have done one mistakes. This is the formula of first n terms, sum of first n terms, not a formula for sum of first n natural number. This is the formula for sum of n terms. So n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 by n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 a plus l. This is the formula to find out the nth term. To find out the nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. And in 24 z, that means mode. Formula for mode for a grouped data is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode for grouped data is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, 3m minus 2x bar. Okay. In 25th question, they have asked us to find out LCM and HCF. Find out LCM and HCF of these numbers with the help of factorization method. Prime factorization method थी तमारानो HCF ने LCM शोधवानो छे. तो it's very easy. 17, 23, 29, all three are prime numbers. 17, 23, 29, all three are prime numbers. So we cannot take any factors. Okay. So when the numbers are a prime numbers, then there is nothing common in all these three. There is nothing common in all these three except one. So HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. આ ત્રણે ત્રણ પ્રાઇમ નંબર છે. ત્રણેય પ્રાઇમ નંબર છે એટલે એમાં 1 સિવાય બીજું કંઈ જ કોમન હોઈ શકે નહીં. એટલે HCF 1. And when all these three are prime numbers, the rule is that the LCM of those three numbers is the product of all three numbers. આ ત્રણે ત્રણ પ્રાઇમ નંબર છે. આપણે આનો LCM શોધવો છે. તો આ ત્રણેયનો જે મલ્ટીપ્લાય આવશે, આનો જે આન્સર આવશે એ તમારો LCM થશે. Now in question number 26, we want to find out the HCF of 867 and 255 with the help of Euclid's division lemma. Find HCF with Euclid's division lemma. 867 is greater than 255. So we should divide 867 by 255. So 255, 3s are 765. Remainder is 102. Okay, which is lesser than 255. આ જે રિમાઇન્ડર છે આનાથી નાની હોવી જોઈએ. You know all these things. So 867 is equal to multiply of 255 into 3 plus 102 is a remainder. આ બંનેનો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે plus remainder. Okay. This is A. A is equal to B into Q. A is equal to B into Q plus R. Now this 255 should be divided by remainder. So 255 divided by 102, that is a remainder. So 102 multiply 2, it is 204. Subtraction of these two numbers is 51. So this is a remainder. So 255 is equal to 102 multiply 2, 102 multiply 2 plus remainder 51. Now again this 102 should be divided by 51. 102 should be divided by 51. So 51 2s are 102, remainder is 0. So 102 is equal to 51 multiply 2 plus 0. Okay. When we get remainder 0, then last 0 non-zero remainder, last non-zero remainder is our HCF. લાસ્ટ નોન ઝીરો રિમાઇન્ડર એટલે જે ઝીરો રિમાઇન્ડર ઝીરો આવી હોય ને એની પહેલાની જે રિમાઇન્ડર હોય એ એનો HCF કહેવાય. એટલે આનો આન્સર આવશે 51. Now in question number 27, we have given sum of two zeros is 1/4 and product of two zeros is -1. Sum of two zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is 1/4 and product of two zeros, that is alpha multiply beta, is equal to -1. We want to find out quadratic polynomial. We want to find out quadratic polynomial. Okay. So we know the formula. Sum of two zeros is equal to minus b upon a. Sum of two zeros is equal to minus b upon a, and product of two zeros is equal to c upon a. We know this. This is a ratio. So that means a is multiplying with 1. A is multiplying with 1. Okay. So we are interchanging a and 1. A is multiplying with 1. Now 1 is replacing with a. Okay. Now we will suppose k. So a upon 4 is equal to k, and minus b upon 1 is equal to k. So a is equal to 4k and minus b is equal to 1k. This minus sign goes to the right side, it will be minus 1k. So a is 4k and b is equal to minus 1k. Now put here a is equal to 4k. A is equal to 4k. Okay. Now this 4k is multiplied with minus 1. So c is equal to minus 4k. Now the standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is a standard form of a quadratic polynomial. P of x is equal to. Now put a is equal to 4k x square. B is equal to minus 1k. B is equal to minus 1k x. C is equal to minus 4k. Now take k common. K is common from all these three terms. So 4x square minus 1x or x. 4 is common. Sorry, k is common. So this is a required result. This is a quadratic polynomial